She had leadership written all over her. She had compassion in an intellectually rigorous way. Everybody loved her. She had great personal relations with people, bringing the best out of people, mobilizing them, connecting them. She was multilingual. She was invited to international symposiums to present her knowledge, and she was only 24 years old. Our memories of our wonderful grandniece must not be in vain, and the loss of over 340 other innocent people must not be in vain. Usually airlines and aircraft manufacturers get away with a quick settlement, a little bit of a public relations problem. My message to Boeing is, don't think this is going to happen again. You're going to be brought to justice, and the responsibility will start with the CEO and the managers that made this critically fatal decision for over 350 innocent people in Indonesia and Ethiopia. This Boeing 737 MAX 8 disaster is a harbinger for all technologies that are going to be controlled by artificial intelligence, where the robotics, the arrogance of the algorithms will take control. And the Boeing experience, where the software took control of the plane in a wrong way, away from its own pilots. She was driven to save lives, and we'll never know how many lives will have been lost because she's not going to be helping in a systemic way for the next 50 years.